To the ones who doubted me, I owe you more than you think. You said I wasn't good enough. You said it wouldn't work. You said my vision was unrealistic, that my time would run out, that I should be more practical. You weren't trying to build me up. You were trying to limit me. And to the ones who smiled in my face, shook my hand, encouraged me just enough to stay close, then questioned me the moment I wasn't in the room, I saw that too. Every comment, every look, every quiet dismissal, it all added weight. But here's what you don't understand. I don't break under pressure. I refine under it. Doubt didn't slow me down. It sharpened me. Criticism didn't discourage me. It clarified who I am and who I am not. You gave me something fuel can't replace. You gave me resistance, and resistance builds strength. So no, I don't hate you for it. I don't resent you. I thank you. Because every time you questioned me, I learned to trust myself more. Every time you counted me out, I doubled down. Every time you spoke about me in rooms I wasn't in, you made sure my name carried further than I ever could alone. You thought you were closing doors. You were just testing how bad I wanted to break them open. This was never about proving you wrong. It was about proving to myself that I was willing to go further than your doubt could reach. And now, the same dream you said wouldn't happen is the reality I wake up in. So thank you, not for believing in me, but showing me exactly what it looks like when no one does. That's where I learned who I really am.
So get comfortable. This next season's dedicated to you.